Hello friends, welcome to class 7, lesson number 1. In this topic, architect and cultural, during the Solanki era, Lord Shiva's Shaivism was prime. Somnath was the prime center of Shaivism. Dwarika was famous pilgrim center for the Vaishnav people. And influence of Buddhism reduced during the Middle Age, while Jainism gathered momentum. As a result, many magnificent Jain temples were built. The period is also saw the progress of architecture, sculpture, and painting. Many small sculptures were carved. Even today, also, it is there in the existence. We can see or we can observe their existence. Painting work was also done. This time it is Rajasthani style of temple carving was very popular. Sun Temple of Modhera, it was believed that the first ray of sun is directly falling into the statue, into the temple of Modhera. Vimlavashi temple of Abu were constructed in 11th century. Rudra Mahalai temple reconstruction of Somnath was also built in the 12th century. The 13th century saw the construction of Delwara temples of Mount Abu, which attained a prominent place in the architectural splendor of India. So, on and often, temples, Jain temples was constructed in Rajasthani style. Modhera Sun temple was very popular. Many lakes, forts, gateways, arc of temple, Toran, construction of Toran. Among all, Kirti Toran of Vadnagar is very popular even today also. It is a heritage site. Manuscripts were usually written on a palm leaves, tadpatra. Margins were drawn along the four sides of this 2-3 feet long and 2-3 inch wide leaves, and within that limited space, writing or drawing were executed. Besides this, a lot of literary work on Jainism was accomplished during the Solanki era, like the Dvashraya Granth. One Granth was also prepared during the Solanki era, and it was also very popular. Ahmedabad was the center of administration during Sultanate time. Many books were written on the Persian language was introduced by the Sultanate era. Many works in Gujarati have been writing during this period. Many famous mosques were built during the Sultanate as well as the Mughal era. Famous of Sidi Sayyid's Grille of Ahmedabad, Sarkej Roja mosque were constructed at that time. During the medieval age, remained for 560 years, Gujarat was ruled over by the Rajput dynasty, later by Sultanate and Mughal era. This is the evident form of architectural splendor and literary work of that period. So, dear friend, here the lesson ends. Please study all small, simple, and minute each and every point of the lesson, especially construction style and everything, so you can got more idea. Please read well, write well, and start preparing fair notebook also, so you can write into it. Here I remain.